voters on question
Hold on,
300.
hold on, homie. The big homie talking. So we gonna zoom in and bring him back on the screen too. You see what I'm saying? But when it's actually stuff that's supposed to be getting done, it's up to us to make sure the shit get done. Well, what do you want, nigga? I work all day, so I want to go home and smoke some fucking weed without no fucking problems. Okay, well, how do you want to do that? Well, I would like to cultivate my own. Shout out to the homie Popcorn. He got me on that indoor garden and consults. And, I can cultivate some things too. Yeah, I done seen him start with 6 little plants, then the next thing you know, he had 250. Yeah, shout out to getting that plant count up because we finna get it up. But anyways, like I was saying, man, hey, it's up to us to get things done, and then the laws will have to listen to us because guess what we doing? I got 20 people down here for security, and they all know the police ain't said nothing to us. They coming to us. Therefore, you come to us. It's different rules over here. I'm United States because they told me what I can do, so I'm doing it. We the people, right? Yeah, the government's supposed to serve and protect us. Shut the fuck up, officer. Sit down and roll up.
And a no vote would bring recreational marijuana to Colorado Springs. We did also reach out to the Colorado Springs City Council about this decision, and they declined to comment.
So once again, we're seeing a situation where the voters have voted on one thing, and the lawmakers are again trying to pull it back. But this time, they're trying to say that the voters did not know what they were voting on. The voters didn't know what they were doing. So again, let me know what you guys think about that. Drop it in the comments down below. But let's hear what a few more Colorado Springs residents actually have to say about this.
Now, one local shop owner has filed suit, saying a do-over vote would be a direct violation of state law.
It's disappointing. I live in a community where City Council is very clearly going to do whatever they can to stop this.
So I want to find out what you guys think about this entire issue. It's really unfortunate for the people down in Colorado Springs, especially when all their neighboring cities, their neighboring towns, heck, their neighboring counties, all of them pretty much have recreational herb. And what's even more frustrating is that the people actually voted on it and the lawmakers are just not rolling with it. But I want to find out what you guys think. Drop it in the comments down below. And if there's any state you guys want us to cover, any town or city you guys want us to cover, drop it in the comments down below. We're hanging out down there. And recently there's a governor that's actually come out and said that legalizing it will actually destroy your state. So to find out more about that guy and what he said, check that video out because it's coming up right now.
That dude said, man, I've been making YouTube channel. Shouts out to Matt. Y'all know Matt got his ish together because he recently got his lawyer degree.
Indiana lawmakers will
Recently got that lawyer degree. Why did it go? Oh, we actually clicked the link. It's my fault. Sorry for that because, we wasn't supposed to be doing all of that. We don't have to go back. We don't have to go back. Yeah, see, I done ran out my playlist. I done ran out the playlist. I tried to hit pause, but it's trying to move around apparently. So that's crazy. I'm not starting the whole playlist over though. You know we ain't doing all that. We was at the end of match video. Shout out to him because that brings us back to yesterday's topic. Shout out to Buy Me a Coffee and Reed talking about yesterday's topic, which is our Buy Me a Coffee how-to video. We did all that yesterday, so we ain't gonna hound you too hard today. We just giving shouts out to our level 2 members. Shouts out to Melinda Elliott and Higher Desert Exotic Podcast. Y'all know to go check out both content creators because they got that fire. I fuck with them too, both of them. Melinda, she's usually live every morning on her way to work. And then Higher Desert Exotic, you can catch them every Friday and Sunday. If you don't know what time, it's mountain time. So go figure it out, right? Yeah, you can go figure it out. You grown. You got to be 21, 18, 21 plus to watch this content so your grown ass can go over there and figure it out. Shouts out to y'all because you can't tell everybody everything. You dig? You got to leave some interest. Make them investigate. Make them, as we say in 2025, do the homework, which means go do your homework. Shout out to Melinda Elliott though. She's getting into some new crafting hobbies and stuff like that. So, we appreciate that because we want to see y'all learning new things even at old ages.
So this is day 3 of the KOV challenge. So one of the things that we're supposed to do is ask a question, and one of the questions I'm interested in is, what do you think about my channel? when I started this channel,